you've got this device, which is the longest operating device in the world. It's a Siemens Marine Current Turbine CGen. It's been operating now for about 5 years in Strangford Lough of Northern Ireland. It's a design, it's on the other end of the spectrum. Higher efficiency, almost 50% higher efficiency, on par with the best wind turbines that are on the market today, but it has much higher mechanical complexity. So it's got 2 blades on each of these arms. Each of these blades has a pitch control motor at the root, and the entire turbine can be lifted out of the water for maintenance. So it's got an integrated lifting mechanism. Each of these turbines has a generator that's connected via a gearbox, and the installation of one of these devices takes about a month to maybe longer. And so if you look at this, this is basically saying that it's higher cost, higher mechanical complexity to get these in the water, but they're arguing that the integrated lift makes it cheaper to maintain, and the additional revenue from the higher efficiency is what's going to make them have the lowest cost of energy. Now, which end of this design philosophy spectrum wins out? Not sure. It's still an open question. No one's operated a turbine for more than 4 years yet, so when we get to 20 years, maybe we'll know. But the challenge is we need to figure out how things are going to operate in 20 years after we've run them for about a year. Okay, so that's an engineering challenge. How about a societal challenge? Well, a global social challenge that I view is the question of non-exclusionary use of the ocean. And the question here is, can marine renewable energy complement existing uses of the ocean or enable new uses? Does it have to be an either-or proposition? Right now, people tend to look at it in this way, right? You say, this area of the ocean can be used for fishing or it can be used for shipping. This area of the ocean can be used for marine renewables or it can be used for communications. This area can be used by the military or it can be used by marine renewables. It's an either-or, right? You don't say, well, we can use the ocean for many of these things. And probably we're going to have to think about using the ocean for many of these things. So I think that the exclusionary model of ocean use is probably not one that's going to stand up to increasing pressures, particularly